Hello everyone. Today let's introduce the ribs bar wire making machine. It's also called the deformed wire making machine. For this machine, it make three sides surface of the ribs. The wire diameter range from standard is from 5 to 10. For this cabinet, it can control the cutting length and the wire drawing speed. And this button, you can control the machine every part semi-running or automatic. Content payoff. It can load the raw material wire. It can load about 2 tons. Or this is wire feeding frame. It can make sure the wire is feeding straight. And this part we call it rust remover. The function is that this rolling wheel, it can remove the outside of this wire. We add the drawing powder in this part, and under this lubricating machine, we put a bucket. When the machine running, the drawing powder will fall down into this bucket, and you can use it for many times. This part is the rolling mill. The function is it can reduce the falling frame. When the deformed wire finished, and after cutting into what you want the length, for example, this is 6 meters length. This frame you can set it 6 meters, and it fall at this part.